What is up, YouTube? Rob here with MotoPhoto, bringing you a brutally honest review of the Kenda K270 Dual Sport tire. If this is your first visit, be prepared to be amazed. We do things a little different than most YouTubers. We are here to review items through the eyes of the consumers. We are not here to please the manufacturers. We will let you know if the product we are reviewing is something you should be spending your money on, or if the product is complete garbage. We have the Kenda K270 Dual Sport tire. So the manufacturer states that these tires are DOT approved, 4 and 6 ply rated casings. It's a tube tire and it's available in 15 popular sizes. Most retailers claim they are a 50-50 tire, but Kenda's website states they are a 40-60 tire. 40% for the dirt, 60% built for the road. Now, Kenda states that it's the perfect balance between a smooth ride on the road and great traction in the dirt. The bottom line is this. We have used the K270 for around 1,500 miles. Now, there are pros and there's some cons. The pros are the tires are really smooth on the road in comparison to the popular and much more expensive Dunlop 606s. Don't get me wrong, the 606s are awesome, but we usually kill them in under 2,000 miles. Our Kendas have about 1,500 miles on them, and the wear is at about 50%. In comparison to the Dunlop 606s, the Kenda K270 outhandles the 606 on the road, obviously, especially when it's wet. The 606s, when ridden on wet pavement, the front end feels like it wants to wash out. Here in Florida, we see a ton of rain. The Kenda K270s have a softer carcass, which makes them lighter and easier to mount and dismount on the trail. The back tire grips well in many environments: mud, sand, rocks, even in the rain. The K270s are pretty cheap to buy, and the noise from the tires are quiet, but it gets louder as they wear out, so keep that in mind. They hug the road, especially in turns, which is a plus for a dual sport tire. Now for the cons. The carcass is soft and you have a better chance of getting a flat, but you can add a heavy duty tube and you'll have better results, obviously. In the mud, the front tire is absolute garbage. The tire cakes mud and is very hard to self-clean. This causes the tire to wash out in muddy conditions. From what I can see, it's because the lugs on the front tire have a tighter pattern than the lugs on the back tire. Now for the million-dollar question. Are they garbage or are they worth spending your money on? For a company known for making a cheap product, the Kenda K270s are surprisingly an all-around good tire. And for the price, you can't go wrong. For bargain shoppers, they're a great deal. Okay, this summer, we rode the Sin City Rally along the Trans-American Trail. And I wish I had the K270s with me on the bike. I used the Dunlop 606s, and they were destroyed. And I believe the K270s would have lasted the entire trip and then some. So there you have it. An honest review on a pretty solid product. If you like this review, subscribe and smash the like button. If you had different results with either one of these tires, leave a comment with your experiences. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.